On everybody, welcome back to the Scare Rider Collective YouTube channel. Today we are at Atomic City riding custom model car resource, and we are taking a look at some of their new products that they have to offer from their Jo-Han restoration line, as well as taking a look at their 69 AMX that they premiered at the HMCA show. For those of you that are new to the channel and have never seen any of the Atomic videos before, I have a whole playlist on the channel that kind of walks you through what Atomic is and what they have to offer. They also own Jo-Han USA Oldies, so they have a ton of Jo-Han parts that are available in the shop, as well as mail order that you can get through contacting them through their Facebook page, Atomic City Riding Custom Model Car Resource on Facebook, where you can place orders and get your products as well. They also hosted a swap meet. I didn't do any video of the swap meet, but I did pick up a few kits, and I will show you what I grabbed at the end to add to the model stash. So let's go ahead and take it on over to Jack to take a look at that new Jo-Han restoration part that they have, and take a little peek at the 69 AMX kit that they got.
From Atomic City and Jo-Han USA Oldies, we have another new product that we are releasing in our restoration parts line. We have a 3D printed in transparent red taillight for the 74 and 75 Oldsmobile Cutlass. So this will be a new part in our Jo-Han restoration parts line, and stay tuned for some other new things that we've got coming out. So this is available for a mail order to restore your old Jo-Han Cutlasses for $10 from Atomic City. If you follow us on Facebook, just go to our page, message us if you wish to order it, and stay tuned for more new items coming all the time.
The thing that's relatively new in the shop is the 69 AMX from Jo-Han USA Oldies as well. They have two options on the 69 AMX. They have a low back bucket seat option and a high back bucket seat option. And it comes with a variety of decals. Here is one of them built up. So the decals that are available for this kit are a 6-color laser printed decal sheet. So you get a variety of decals that you can save and use on future projects. And the 6 colors that are available are red, white, blue, gold, silver, and black. They do only have a limited selection of the 69 AMX available in stock, but do not fear, they will have more on the way soon for you to have the ability to purchase, and they may be even coming to a model show near you. So follow them on Facebook at Atomic City Riding Custom Model Car Resource to stay up to date on what shows they will be at. So for those of you who don't have a Facebook and are interested in the Jo-Han USA Oldies products and want a way to get a hold of them, you have an alternative way. You can screenshot their business card here or take a picture of your screen so you have it. It has their address, 1964 Woodman Center Drive, Kettering, Ohio, as well as their phone number and their emails if you wish to inquire about anything. And like I said, you can mail order through them as well if you are wanting something that you've seen in any of my videos. If they have it, they will let you know. So let's go ahead and get into what I got from their swap meet. So the first thing I got is something I didn't actually buy, but it was given to me. So it is a ZZ Top kit. It's a little bit of the parts from it, and a Roadster body. Definitely be doing some sort of rat rod or something in the future. Not sure when I'll get to it, but that'll be something we'll probably get into maybe later on this winter. So I don't know if you watch the channel or not, but I just want to say thank you again for that, and I really appreciate it. Now let's go on ahead and get into another thing that I picked up. So I got this Tarantula monogram parts kit. It does have one that's partly built and then parts to another one with a brand new body. This is a Tom Daniels kit, 1/24 scale, as it says on the box. So definitely going to do something with this. We got a chute, brand new. Here's part of the brand new body. And some parts. Interior and some more parts. It's not all there, but I'll probably do something with it. Here's some more. And here is the partially built original as well. And since this swap meet was at Atomic, I was able to run inside and grab something from the boneyard. So got some rear tires and some chrome. This has a motor on it and some headers as well as a frame. So we're gonna do some sort of custom tarantula. Just not quite sure what all I'm gonna do, but that's why you gotta love Atomic City. They have the availability to just go in and look around and see what you could find and maybe get some missing parts. They might have it for a kit, or they might just have it so you can do some kit bashing. Then I picked up another Tom Daniels kit. This was originally called the Trick Tee in 1970, and then it was later revamped in 1975 and called the Stinger. It is a 1/24 scale rear engine dragster with a T-bucket interior, and that's where the engine is. This is a really cool kit, so I had to grab it. Pretty good price as well. So has a driver in there, definitely like that. Removable top, so you can actually see the frame detail. So this is something that I'm definitely happy to have and pick up. So I'm not usually a real big fan of rear engine dragsters. I really love front engine dragsters, but can't go wrong with the dragster. So got to pick them up when you can find them. Don't know when I will get to this one, but it will go in the stash. Then I picked up this built kit in a bag. I believe it's a 34 Ford sedan. So somebody already started it. It's definitely missing some parts, but again, enough stuff is there to maybe do some sort of a rat rod with it. Here's everything that was in that bagged kit. It's honestly not that bad. The paint is pretty good. Like I said, it'll be a good candidate for like a rat rod or something. Definitely has a really good paint job on it. So very high gloss. Don't have no axles, tires, or motor, but we can always figure out something for that. And then another thing that I got was this lowrider kit. Not sure what kit this is, but it does have all 4 wheels, even though they're not all on the model. I usually stay away from built-ups, but this one was honestly not too bad. And one of the points that drew me to it was the trunk. It has all the hydraulics and batteries in there. So not sure what I'll do with it. Definitely do something with it, or maybe trade it along to somebody else that can appreciate it a little bit more than me and rebuild this thing. But Then I picked up this panel kit with this crazy decal on the sides with some monster busting out of the cage. Honestly, it's a rebuild project as well. But this definitely has more of the parts to it. So if you guys know what those decals are from, let me know in the comments. But here's everything else that is in the bag. And one of the big selling points is these wheels right here. Definitely a nice set of rims and tires. So you can't pass that up. Always nice to get some good rims and tires. So it was a good deal, so figured I'd get it since I really liked the decal and I really like panels as well. So had some good drawing factors to it. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about the new stash ads. Would you pick these up, or would you have maybe got something else? Let me know in the comments down below. For those of you that are interested in checking out that Atomic City playlist, stay tuned till the end of this video and I'll have the whole playlist linked right around here so you guys can check it out once this video ends. And I'll have some other stash ads and model kit hauls over here so you guys can check that out. Thank you guys for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.